Mild, 74 degrees at Central Park, Bridgeport at 70. We're at 69 in Islip, Clinton at 63 degrees, so a nice summer morning. If you do step out in the next couple of hours, you're going to notice right away that humidity has come up, certainly from the weekend. So those dew points anywhere from 5 to 15 degrees higher, and that's going to get pretty sticky later on when you factor in those temperatures rising as well. So later on this morning, by lunchtime, already pushing into the low to mid 80s. We'll be close to 90 today, at times feeling a little bit hotter than that, with mainly sun and clouds. It's during the late afternoon and evening. A spotty shower is possible. That's with a cold front. You can see what that does. Our temperatures dropping and skies becoming fair as we head into the overnight, and that humidity gets wiped away. So it's a one and done today with that heat and humidity combination. All right, let's get to Adele now, because you do have plenty of going on the roads. What's going on?
Yeah, it's been a pretty busy start.
Like pictured, you see some of those clouds moving in, so it's more like sun and clouds today. 62 in Sussex. We have 68 in Islip and 70 in Bridgeport, with Toms River now at 71 degrees, or I should say Belmar. We do have a slight chance of a shower or two this afternoon, mainly north and east of the city. So something to keep in mind. Otherwise, overall pretty quiet, aside from the heat and humidity making a comeback today. By noontime, 84 degrees, pretty sticky at this point, and we'll see those feels like temperatures top out in that 90 to the low 90s range for the afternoon. Now, those showers coming along with a cold front, not evident just yet. Northerly winds, though, through this evening should make it pretty pleasant, but we do get that humidity wiped away pretty quickly. So I'll talk more about that coming up in just a bit. Let's get you out the door right now. It is Monday, a lot on your maps. What's the latest?
Yeah, we have a couple of up
now at 71 in Newark and Belmar, down into the 60s from Poughkeepsie and Sussex, as well as White Plains, Bridgeport. You're sitting at 70. So pretty quiet on the satellite and radar picture, and the satellite and the radar are not showing very much to the north and west. Believe it or not, that's the front that's coming through later today. So ahead of it is the surge of warmth. Behind it, it is another cool down. In between, maybe a spotty shower to the north and the east of the city today. So something to keep in mind. Otherwise, sun and clouds, mild and muggy. By 1 o'clock, 86 degrees at this point too. Those heat index values, that combination enough to keep it into that near 90, low 90 degree range. By 7 p.m., 84 degrees, and we start to kick up the breeze a little bit as that front rolls through by 10 o'clock. All right, let's check in with Adele now, because we do have a lot to get updates on. What's the latest?
Right now, we still
a few clouds overhead. The humidity has come up, so looking at the dew points, you see all the pluses, 5 to almost 15 degrees warmer. So feels a little stickier already. 73 at Central Park, 72 in Newark. We're at 64 in White Plains. Nothing on the radar. Again, some clouds on the satellite picture. The front that we're waiting on is still well to the north and west, but you see not much to it as far as precip goes. So it'll be coming through for the most part pretty quietly with just some clouds, but warm ahead of it. 84 at noontime, 87 by 5 o'clock, and at times feeling closer to 90 into the low 90s with that humidity factored in. And then by later on this evening, 10 o'clock temperature in the mid and upper 70s, and maybe a spotty shower in between that 5 to 10 p.m. time period. More on that in a second. Let's get to the roads, and Adele, looks pretty good there for now.
Yes, main roadway looks.
So right now, that's all we have. The front we're waiting on for today is still well back to the north and west, and you can see not much to it. So what we're expecting, not much, except for the warm-up. 73 at Central Park now. Merrick at 72. We're at 66 in White Plains. You probably already feel that humidity, and that front just enough to maybe touch off a shower or two, especially north and east of the city today. Otherwise, it's that hot and humid kind of day. By 1 o'clock, 86 degrees, at times feeling like 90 plus. By 7 p.m., still dry, 84 degrees in the city, and we'll start to see that front come through later on tonight, so the breeze will start to pick up by 10 o'clock. All right, let's see what may be slowing us down on this Monday, non-school Monday for most.
Yes, non-school Monday, children.
Yes.
Still